Hello everyone. Today in this video I am showing how to apply or change the pressure foot depending on what you want to sew. So firstly, you have to raise the needle to its highest position by turning the hand wheel towards you, like this, and raise the pressure foot. To remove the pressure foot from the holder, you simply have to press the black button behind the pressure foot as holder, like this. So once this is out, you can replace with a different kind of pressure foot. Like this one is button sewing foot, and this is like a buttonhole sewing foot. So both comes along with the machine, so you don't have to buy separately. There's a bar here which actually goes into that's called shank, which will be basically attached with the pressure foot holder. So now I'm going to place the pressure foot on the needle plate like this, and then place it to be aligned with the pressure foot holder like this. So make sure it is aligned, otherwise it will not fit. Now simply bring the pressure foot holder down and click on the shank. So the foot is attached now. Now let's try with the different foot. So to detach this foot, we have to raise the lever and detach the foot from the holder like this. To apply the button sewing foot, the same method applies. We have to make sure that the holder and the shank is aligned, and you are able to hear the click noise. One more thing to remember, if the pressure foot is not installed with the correct orientation, the needle may strike the pressure foot, which may cause the break of the needle and cause injury. So be careful and cautious and check before starting to sew. Hopefully this video is helpful, and thank you for watching.